All right, today we have a 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee with the 3.6 Pentastar V6. This is a limited trim. Just going to do a quick test drive and point of view impressions. Let me know how this is. All right, let's get started with the first impressions. So far the throttle response is pretty linear and smooth. The heated steering wheel is pretty nice. It's my first time using a GoPro, so please bear with me. It's really hard to see out of this. All right. No worries about traction with this four-wheel drive system. Wow. Transmission shifts pretty smooth. All right, let's go. So used to shifting. Pretty responsive shifting here. Let's put this back into drive. Brake pedal feels pretty good. Very responsive. Quick reacting. Seats are very comfortable. The steering response is really good. Remember back in the older Jeeps, they were a little bit looser, but this feels pretty planted. Almost feels like a car. It's actually the first time using a heated steering wheel. This is pretty nice in this 40-ish degree weather, you know, light rain. Love that this is a huge sunroof. If you guys are new to the channel, we are based out of the DMV, the District, Maryland, and Virginia area. Very quiet cabin. As you can see in front of me, that's my buddy. In our previous videos, we went off-roading in that Jeep. Shout out for the cleaning. Oh, wait. Looks like my buddy drove this and got pretty good fuel economy. 15.3. It's not bad for such a heavy SUV. Really like this new screen here. Let's see. heated seats work really well. Normally I'm not a fan of heated seats, but these are pretty good. They don't get too hot. Come on. Wow, with 20% throttle, this thing moves. I like that. Shows you your gear you're in. Let's see, switch it, downshift. Full throttle in third gear. Did put me back in my seat. I think it drives better in automatic mode. Looks like we're getting off here. Oh boy. Nope, we are not getting off. Really hard to see out of this GoPro here. Using a baseball cap mount. Hopefully everything turns out well in this video. I have to adjust my lumbar here. Seats have pretty good thigh support as well, you know, perfect for my height, 5'9". It actually reaches the bottom of the thigh. I usually like to sit a little bit closer and recline a little. There we go. This was set for my friend's height at 6'1". Do not believe that this has the adapter for cruise controls. I see these buttons are not here, but cruise control works pretty well. Now it's pretty surprising in a Jeep, the standard one, the V6, actually has a lot of engine noise when you go press on it. Sounds pretty aggressive. I know that this is the same engine shared across their lineup, including the Challenger and the Charger. Makes sense. Non-adjustable armrest, looks like a little flimsy, shakes left to right. I don't know if you can see that, but brakes are really good. Come on. Saw that Accord flying up. Yeah. Had to use about 50% throttle. Saying it looks like it moves pretty well. We did see a cop there. Luckily we weren't going too fast. more than enough power for this thing. It's easy to merge into lanes. Love the ride height. This one does not have the air suspension, so it actually rides pretty good, you know, not too stiff, but still responsive. Overall, I think if I had to get a Grand Cherokee, this would be the trim. I like the basics. This is nice, great visibility, very quiet inside. Yeah. Wow, it's not hollow. Very oh, there's the hollow side. But the plastics are not, you know, the cheapest. I mean, everything you touch feels pretty premium. Like, I really like this padded armrest here. It's very nice. Granted, one thing I noticed for such a premium vehicle is that you do hear a lot of road noise in this car. Maybe because it's raining, but you know, you can hear the other tires, you know, rolling around in the rain. Alright, looks like we'll end this first impressions quick review here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.